The ancients were so wise. It is rumored that this is the test of falling when the last sun accepted apprentices in the early Warring States period, asked to open the pair of Tai Chi bagua, double ropes within half a stick of incense. Most people get stuck when they try. Because the black ring has a very obvious gap, it can be pulled on the upper and lower sides. I thought it could be opened, but encountered the white ring blocking the area. Change your mind. Open the white ring first. I'm going to reach for the cracks. It's very easy to split it in half, but then, no matter what, break it out again. The space is narrow. The white ring is still firmly and comfortably broken free by the black ring. It's unbelievable. To be able to design such exquisite brain-burning pills in those days. We have to give our ancestors a thumbs up. So how should this pair of Tai Chi gossip twin locks be unlocked? Often many things are only unexpected. Nothing can't be done. Spatial dislocation is required here. First place the white ring between the two gaps in the black ring, then turn around. This way, the black rings can be separated from the left and right. 99% of people come here thinking they are going to succeed. No. These are the two halves of the black ring, or just stuck in the white ring. It cannot be removed directly. There are also secrets hidden in it. You need to press and hold the upper half to rotate back and forth until it is adjusted to the right angle. The two halves are slightly staggered a certain distance. Only the black ring can escape. How about, can you give me some applause at this moment?